Welcome back to Mini Lessons with Ms. H, and today we're doing page 228, Unit 5, Week 3, Genre Text Features. So, what do we know about text features? Text features makes the text easier to read. Alright? First, you always look at your heading. The heading is a word or phrase or sentence at the beginning of a written passage that explains what it's about. So sometimes we look at the title instead, right? Illustration versus photograph. An illustration is a drawing of an object, while a photograph is a picture made using a camera. Table of contents tells you a list of titles in a book. A diagram shows you specific parts of the names of the parts of whatever they're showing you. Like for example, in this flower, it's showing you the petal, the leaf, and the stem. Right? A diagram shows you those parts, and the labels show you what each part is called. A table chart shows you information. For example, in this example, flower growth in a week. It shows you how many inches each flower grew. A graph shows, in this example, it shows the same information just in a bar graph. An index is an alphabetical list of subjects at the end of a book. A caption is a brief explanation of an illustration, photograph, diagram, etc. A map is a diagrammatic representation of an area or land or sea, showing physical features, cities, roads, etc. Bullet points show you they're little small symbols added to an item on a list. And a glossary is an alphabetical list of words with a brief explanation. Alright, so let's look at our title. Always annotate the text first. We're surveying. Surveying title. I see bold words. I see a timeline. So timeline is usually a series of events on a line. Okay? So now I'm going to write my prediction. I predict. Why do I write my prediction? Because I'm activating prior knowledge and I'm setting my purpose for reading. This text will be about Jesse Owens' life events. Text will be about Jesse Owens' life events. Alright? Now I'm going to give you 1 minute to write your own prediction. Okay? Ready, set, go. Now we're going to read. In junior high school, Jesse Owens joined the track team. He set records in running. Later, at age 22, Jesse won races in the Olympics. He proved that everyone can do great things. So these two bold words are telling us important words to the topic. Topic words. So the topic here is Jesse Owens, and he set a lot of records in the Olympics. All right. Now, let's look at the timeline. 1913, Jesse Owens is born. 1928, his athletic career began during junior high school. 1936, he wins 4 Olympic gold medals. 1976, he wins the U.S. Medal of Freedom. How cool is that? So, now my expectation is you're going to have 5 minutes to answer these 4 questions of the story. All right? You have 5 minutes to answer these questions by yourself, and then Ms. Hernandez will review. Ready, set, go. Let's review. How do you know this is a biography? So first, how they want a key detail. Biography is a type of genre. How do we know this? It's telling us about who? Jesse Owens what? Life events. So we know, and write this, don't write it there because you wrote your answer there. I'm going to write it right under that. We know this text is and look how little Ms. Hernandez is writing. That's my expectation for you too, so you can fit everything in there. We know this text is a biography because it tells us Jesse Owens' life events. All right? Let me zoom in and give you 1 minute to copy that. If I could find my little 1 minute. Oh, here he is. 1 minute. Ready, set, go. Number 2. Why are the words records and Olympics in bold print? Wow! Key detail. And these are words that are in bold print. Why? So I'm going to give you, I already gave you 5 minutes to answer that. So I'm going to answer it here at the bottom. These words are in bold print because they are important to the topic. So if you wrote something similar to that, put a little check mark next to your answer, okay? And you know what to do. Number 3, what information does the timeline help you learn? So, key details, timeline, we've established that, we already said that. And this is what you should have written. The timeline, or something similar, tells me Jesse Owens' most important life events. All right, so that's what you should have written for that one. Ready, set, 1 minute. Number 4, what happened to Jesse Owens in 1936? So they want the key detail event. Let me see, 1936, he wins 4 Olympic gold medals. That's what you should have written. In 36, he won, because it's in the past, 4 Olympic gold medals. So if you wrote that, you know what to do. If you wrote something like that, excellent, A+ job. And if you didn't, you need to copy it right now. Ready, set, go. It is important for us to learn text features because when you get older, the stories are going to change. They're going to be informational texts, and informational texts like to give you information about the topic in different ways, like this timeline, all right? So don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest homework vids, and see you on the morrows. Bye!